Me trying to figure out this situation. What's up, beautiful people, and Michelae here, and in this video I'll be sharing with you guys my new go-to routine for twisting my hair. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified of future uploads. Okay, let's jump on in. So in the past, I never actually focused on making perfect parts when I was doing my twists. Now I'm trying to do better at that so I can reduce breakage at my scalp. However, I'm still working on getting those parts perfect, hence why I brought this mirror to be able to see the back of my head. But it did come with a learning curve, definitely did. So first, I just go ahead and rehydrate my hair with my leave-in moisturizer. Next, I detangle my hair and make sure it's ready to be styled. My gel of choice is by Braid Formula Super Hold Conditioning Gel. Once I've parted my hair, I then apply the gel and smooth out my roots. And then I go ahead and apply my rubber bands. Sometimes I put my rubber bands in oil prior to using them. Sometimes I don't. It all depends on if I remember to and if I don't and what's right there in front of me. I also try not to make the rubber bands too tight. That's specifically to reduce breakage or the potential of causing breakage. And lastly, I just twist all the way down. I do apply the jam slash gel to, I call it a jam because it's more like a jam texture versus what a gel used to feel like. Anyway, I do apply it to the length of my hair. Sometimes I put a lot, sometimes I put a little. It all depends. Today I did apply a lot because I wanted my hair to stay stretched, because one of my goals this year is to keep my hair in more stretched styles to see if that has an effect on my length retention. And I've found that it's made my wash days a lot easier. It's made styling, detangling, just lifestyle in general a lot easier to keep my hair stretched. But this thing right here, this jam right here, I'm telling you right now.
But I am telling you right now,
it is the absolute best for hold for me. I don't know about anybody else, but I absolutely stand behind this product. I'm not saying that their ingredients are great. In fact, I haven't really deep dived into the ingredients, but in regards to hold and longevity, this product has impressed me. The one caveat that I've noticed is the gel doesn't hold up against oils. So what I do is initially I really put a decent amount of oil on my hair for styling, and once the style is set in place, I do not oil my hair for a week or two depending on how long I've kept the style. Once I decide to re-oil my hair within the matter of 3 to 4 days, I know that I will get frizzing. I know that the gel coat is going to relax. We'll start to get my hair recoiling back to, an unstretched state, and I'm okay with that. However, I love the results. I do love the results. And that's all for this video. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one.